Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's finish out the Zenith outfit, this time with the max tiers. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and he's gonna be wearing his mask, so it's gonna be nice and easy. We're just gonna draw in the visor area first. So we're gonna draw one line across, and you can make it slightly curved. And then on the side, just kind of draw a little bracket. And then close it. And then once we have that, we're just gonna draw in another line in the center. So just follow along the outside edge. So this one's easy. Okay, so that's the visor, and then let's draw in the top of his head. So for his top, just kind of go on the side here, just go up. And then we'll just close it. So this part is really short because it's being covered up by his hoodie. So we're now gonna draw in the bottom. So for the bottom here, same thing. We're just gonna come down, just kind of have it taper in, and round it off and just close it off. And that's pretty much it for his mask. So now let's draw in the hoodie with the fur around it. So we're gonna start up here. We're gonna draw one curve going up like that. And then now we're gonna come around. So this is gonna be one. And then go up. We're gonna draw another one and have it come back down right around the visor area. And then one more strand of fur here. Just go out. And then we're gonna curve it all the way back into the mask, right around the jawline. Alright, so now let's draw on the other side. So this one's kind of floating out this way. So we're gonna start from here. Just gonna curve it all the way out here, and for this one we can actually go all the way back. Alright, and then let's start on the bottom. Draw one curve going up, almost the same as that. Alright, angle, and then whatever space in here we're gonna fill in the with more strands of fur. So right on the visor here we can go out. And then this one's just gonna kind of overlap that a little bit. And then one more strand here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the fur. And the top of the hat we'll probably see a little bit of it up here. So I'm just gonna round it off and just close everything off. Alright, nice and simple, right? Okay, so let's move on down to, he's got a lot of fur down here too. So for his shoulder, we're just gonna curve out nice and wide. And then now come back to the middle here. Just draw a little V, so this is gonna be one strand of fur. And then between these spaces here, I'm just gonna zigzag all the way down. Just close it. So same thing here. I'm just gonna go one, two, and a smaller one down here. Doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as you have some kind of strands going on. Alright, so that's it for the fur, and now let's draw in the rest of the body. So right on the side here, I'm just gonna come down straight. This is gonna be kind of the armpit area. And then now we're gonna pinch it down all the way to his waist. It's gonna be a little bit thicker because he's wearing a lot of clothes. We'll close that off, and then here's the belt. Just gonna draw one section, and then his belt buckle is gonna be off to the side, so I'm just gonna draw two lines right here for the little square. Alright, so let's draw in his arms first before we draw in more details on the body. So we're gonna start back up here, his armpit, one line out, and then his shoulder's gonna be hidden up here, so we're just gonna continue this. Okay, and his bicep's gonna be right here, little bracket. And then for this one, we can actually just close it off because his glove is actually gonna start here. So now for his lower arm, we're gonna flare it out. Inside here, curve right around here. On the back, kind of straight down and close it off. And then for his fist, I'm gonna come in, little hook. Back of the fist, turn it a little bit and just close it off. And let's see, we can add in, he's got a little claw here. So from the back of the fist here, let's draw one line going out, and then this is gonna go up. And he's got some fur here, so we're just gonna come down and just give another angle, have it go behind the arm. Alright, and then for the claw itself, we're gonna come down, just kind of hook it down, and then from the tip, just go back behind the fist. Alright, so let's draw in the other side. So same thing, here's the armpit. And again, shoulder coming down here. Bracket. Close it off. And then come out, lower arm. Curve, and then this one's gonna come straight down. Close it off right around here. Hook. Back of the fist. Close it. Okay, and then let's see, for the straps here, I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines. So these are easy. Alright, so now let's draw in the straps around his body. So right underneath his armpit, I'm just gonna draw one line, kind of slanting down, all the way out behind the fur. And then I'm just gonna give that line some thickness here, so I'm just gonna go up. So that's gonna be one strap, and then the other one at the bottom, we're just gonna draw this line out. And then we'll probably see a little bit right there, that's the top. And then let's just draw in one more, so going this way. So I'm just gonna draw one line like that. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's a lot of little straps going on. Alright, and then for his paddings here, just gonna draw one line, kind of in the middle. And then he's got some paddings here, but I'm gonna skip that for now, because I might do that with the smaller Sharpie. Alright, so let's move on down to his legs. So for his leg, he's got his coat kind of hangs down, so we're just gonna draw in on the side here. So this is gonna go all the way down to his knee, and then come back to the middle, and then just connect that with a slight curve. Alright, and then now I can draw in the leg. So in the middle here, come down, just gonna draw a little line. And then now for his leg, this is gonna come down, kind of come in right around here. Okay, so come down, right around here. And then for his knee here, it's just gonna draw in. This is actually part of his pant leg, so just draw in a little bracket and close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Now I'm kind of alternating, drawing this and drawing the other side. Sometimes it's a little bit easier to just kind of draw them at once as opposed to going down all the way first. Alright, so once we have that, now we can draw in his boots. So right here, it's got some more fur, so we're gonna come out and then just kind of come down. Let's give a couple of these zigzags. And then from here, come straight. Close it off, and gotta draw his shoe here, his boot. Curve. Curve down. Close it. And let's just finish up this. He's got a little bit different here. It looks like some kind of snowshoes, right? So just draw a little rectangle and then draw another one inside. It's almost like a belt buckle. Alright, so then the other side is gonna be pretty much the same. Flare out and then just draw a couple of zigzags. And then his leg coming down for his boot. Same thing here, close. Okay, so same detail here. Alright, and then he's got those knee pads. So from the corner here, you just draw in like a little, almost like a little square, but just round it off on the corners. And then from here, we're gonna keep going up because it goes all the way up, and just round it up, come across. So this is basically one big rectangle with rounded corners. So we're gonna start here again, just kind of curl it. I'm gonna go up. Alright, so you got those two big knee pads, and then it's got some straps right here. So I'm just gonna draw two lines like that. And the same thing on this side. And you know what, I almost forgot this little claw here on this side. So it's kind of the same. Let's see. Come out, and then we go up. And let's just give it a couple of peaks like that for the fur. And then here's the blade coming down. Come down and just kind of turn it. And then go back up. Alright, so that's pretty much the body. And let me finish up the little patterns here. I'm gonna switch to a smaller Sharpie. So it's got some padding in here. So for these, we just draw in like these diagonal lines going this way. And then once we have that, we just gotta draw in the lines going the other way. Okay, so we're gonna come down here. 1, 2, and then just draw in the other way. 1, 2. Okay, so the placement doesn't have to be the same, just as long as you have some kind of pattern there. Alright, so same thing here, and for this one we can actually start in the middle here. So just slice it, and then top and bottom just gonna draw two more lines, and then let's just crisscross. Okay, so same thing here. Let's just slice it in half, and then add in another line top and bottom, and then crisscross. And that is it for this Max Zenith skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.